Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best freelancing websites. You can earn a lot of money with your professional skills. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Quicken Gigs? Quicken Gigs is a network of developers, designers, and financial experts for freelance talent. Where to recruit online freelancers and find freelance work. This site is a go-to when businesses want to attract talent that is in the top 10% of their sectors. This assumes that employers have the best applicants to fill their open vacancies. Quicken Gigs also make the method of recruiting less arduous. They will easily find the independent talent they need when employers use the site. In addition, these employees who come from various countries around the world are fluent in English, so it is simple and smooth to communicate with them. With Quicken Gigs, businesses are confident that they have a cost-effective forum for recruiting. For a free trial period, their preferred freelancer will work for them. And they only pay when they wish to add talent to their team if they are happy with the job. If you want to join the Quicken Gigs, link in the description box. Overview for Quicken Gigs. Top access for skills with Quicken Gigs. Only the best talent is offered to employers. To ensure that they are fluent English communicators, have appealing personalities, and are experienced and professional in their own fields, the platform rigorously screens freelancers. To retain the standard of talent on the site, only about 10% of freelance applicants pass the review process. Rapid finds. Quicken Gigs allows organizations to easily locate a freelancer to add to their squad. It takes 1 to 3 weeks for the platform to locate a person who meets all the requirements. This fast turnover means that businesses save time looking for talent so they can work with them for more time. Communicators fluent. All freelancers at Quicken Gigs are checked to ensure that they are fluent in the English language. Their assured fluency ensures that freelancer-employer contact is seamless to promote successful workflows. Integration of smooth freelancer. The platform of Quicken Gigs ensures that individual employees can adapt to the unique channels of collaboration and tools of project management used by recruiting companies. Talents for remote and on-site. In addition, if necessary, Quicken Gigs will relocate freelancers as well. This process normally takes only a week to allow businesses to work with their hired talent quickly. Recruitment at no risk. For a trial period of up to 2 weeks, businesses are able to work with their favorite freelancer at no cost. This gives businesses enough time to determine the freelancer's suitability. If not, the talent itself is paid by Quicken Gigs for the services provided during the trial. Hire online freelancers and find freelance work. Quicken Gigs features summary. 1. Quicken Gigs recruit online freelancers. 2. Vetted freelancers. 3. No-cost trial for freelancer. 4. Relocation of talent. 5. Remote working. Place of Quicken Gigs in our categories. Knowing that businesses have particular business requirements, it is only fair that they avoid choosing an all-encompassing, best business software. Nevertheless, even among commonly used software products, it would be difficult to stumble upon such a software product. The sensible thing to do would be to note the various essential aspects that merit careful thinking, such as main features, packages, staff members, technical capacity, company size, etc. Next, you need to exhaustively proceed through the product analysis. Have a look at these articles from the Quicken Gigs analysis and discuss each of the solutions in your list in depth. Quicken Gigs is one of the top 5 freelance platforms products where you can find the best online. Quicken Gigs best freelancers to recruit freelancers online and find freelance work. It may also be a good idea to explore other subcategories of freelance platforms collected in our SaaS Tech Review database if you are interested in Quicken Gigs. Thus, Quicken Gigs freelance platform stands out because its live support team gives consumers and freelancers the best experience. In other words, they will help with any problem you face. In each software group, there are trendy and commonly used systems. There may be thousands of users of a trendy software product, but does it provide what you need? Do not blindly spend on common systems for this purpose. Read at least a few reviews of the Quicken Gigs freelance platforms and consider the variables you want in the app, such as the cost, key features, integrations available, etc. Then, a few applications that suit your needs are shortlisted. On Quicken Gigs recruit freelancers, a free listing. Check out these platforms' free trials, read online feedback, get vendor information, and meticulously do your homework. How Quicken Gigs operates. Get the most out of Quicken Gigs and live your dream at work. Quicken Gigs ties consumers to freelancers who are eligible for hire by the hour or projects. You can begin in two ways. 1. Purchasers. You are in the right spot, whether you need a logo template for your new blog or a video presenter that can help you introduce your business to potential customers. Quicken Gigs freelancers are at your disposal for anything that you don't know how to do yourself, or just don't have the time. Check for a service you need. In order to find a seller that best fits your needs, compare costs, portfolios, delivery time, and group recommendations. If you've got a particular tell, just give them an inquiry. Make your brief available be as comprehensive as possible so that you can get the quality service that you want from the seller. Until you check that the service is completed to your satisfaction, your payment is kept safe. Transaction processing. Exchange files and reviews through the built-in conversation and transaction management system with the seller. Within a defined time period, the seller will provide the service. Authorize delivered service. You can mark the completed transaction until you are satisfied with the service performed, and we will ensure that the seller gets paid. Support the group by leaving the seller with feedback. Start looking for employment. 2. Sellers. Quicken Gigs gives you the ability to turn a permanent source of income into expertise, talent, or hobby. We are here to provide protection, confidentiality, and prompt payments, so you can continue to do what you love the most. Publish your service in accordance with your expertise. Post a service bid. Be as precise as possible, so that the customers know exactly what they get for the money they pay. Promptly communicate. React within a reasonable period to customer inquiries, as well as requests for custom deals. A prerequisite for effective cooperation is good communication. Build your credibility. Make sure you handle all of your customers the same, regardless of the transaction value, and aim to offer the best possible service. You would be recommended to their friends by happy customers. 1. The smallest fees. We have made it to 15% fees for Quicken Gigs freelance marketplace. Cares about the freelancers on the platform and to promote the job flow just to keep you as much benefit as possible. In just 5 days, get your funds too. Speediest withdrawal after just 5 days from order completion. Quicken Gigs makes it simpler than ever before you can withdraw your funds. 3. Live assistance to help out at any time. Our dedicated teams are here to help you solve any problems related to your gig services, conflicts, or any other problems. I hope you all are really like this freelancing site. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share the video and press the bell icon. Leave a comment. Do you like the video? If you want to join the Quicken Gigs, link in the description box. Good luck.